Kia ora, my name is Manu, and today I would like to talk to you about how we all belong to Papatūānuku. I have grown up to see my mother, Papatūānuku, abused and beaten. I have seen and watched her writhe in pain and torment, throwing up her frustration and her anger, or laying prone and silently weeping as her children stand by, not knowing what to do or how to help her. In their innocence, they have let this happen. So today, let's make a change. See, we have strong spiritual bonds to the land, to Papatūānuku, as she provides unity and identity to all her people, far and wide. She is what sustains them and gives them life. So it is vitally important that we promise to protect our land, seas and forest, which gives us life. Because if we do not, we won't survive. We are linked to Papatūānuku, as we too are a part of this great circle of life. This forms an everlasting bond with Papatūānuku, just like the bond I have with my own birth mother. As a child, I've grown up to see my birth mother nurture and support me. As a teenager, we in turn need to nurture and support each other. We have a job, and that job is to give back to Papatūānuku. All around the world, we have seen Papatūānuku becoming weaker and weaker to the contaminations of our seas and streams. Because of waste and garbage. So, how does this affect me, you, and everyone here? I ask you to start caring for Papatūānuku, as it guarantees you a future. We must stitch back, and through our voices, we must stitch back and actions of what our Papatūānuku once was. We belong to Papatūānuku through our umbilical cord. We are born and raised with Papatūānuku inside us. Thank you.